What is good, learning machines? Let's start this presentation. So, welcome to the ClickBank Secrets slideshow video, whatever that says, training. This should be good. I'm going to bring a lot of value to you guys. I'm going to teach you all the different traffic sort methods. I probably am titling this video just geared towards Instagram, but you're going to have a bunch of bonus methods here, and I'm going to show you the secrets on how to spend as much as you want on ads and not care and get tons of ClickBank commissions. No problem. If you're a beginner, I'm your man, because I'm going to teach you the exact methods you need to know. And let's just get started by Ben himself. Okay, ClickBank. So basically, this is just some tips about ClickBank. ClickBank has been around for years. They've paid hundreds of thousands, if not billions of dollars in commissions to affiliates. They basically only do digital products, and that's basically it. I don't think I've seen one physical product on ClickBank at all. And maybe some of the digital products in the front end, they might have in the back end of what the funnels they have. In the back end, they might have like physical products or something, but that's besides the point. There's tons of offers in any vertical or niche you want to go into. So I'm sure because you have at least one passion or multiple, you can definitely find a niche, and everyone's at least passionate in one of the three: health, wealth, or love. That's where the most money is. There's tons of affiliates in ClickBank, and they pay on time, and it's great. I personally have made like over $50,000 with ClickBank so far, and I just gotta say, like, they pay on time, they're good, they got good offers. The best way to find the best offer, you can sort by gravity. So you just go to, when you're searching for affiliate offers, and the left-hand side, you just sort by gravity, and gravity means how many people are promoting it, which means it's popular, and if it's in your niche, you can sort in there, and you can find the best offers. Boom, there you go, in your niche. And I highly recommend, don't just promote one offer, and you need to have the correct funnel in place. So I'll talk about funnel now, because I don't think I have a slide on that, but basically you can create your own products, or you can just have a massive funnel of a bunch of products, and ultimately you want to collect that email address, right? So you want to be giving something ultimately in exchange, okay? You don't even have to create the thing. You can be creative and find different things you can share with them, okay? And then you just get their email, you send it, the free stuff over to them, and then you get them into your funnel of a bunch of offers in the niche that you choose, and boom. You can spend a lot to acquire customers, because guess what? You kind of have upsells, you kind of have a funnel, you kind of have a value ladder. You don't just have one offer you're promoting, which is limited. That's as much as you can spend, okay, on ads, and see if it works. And that's where most dreams fail in affiliate marketing. Let's go to the next slide. Instagram, all right? So here is all the tips for Instagram. You could either do free or paid. I highly recommend paid. We'll talk about some free stuff. Basically, in any platform, niche down and only create content for that niche that you're in, and choose to be in. With Instagram, you can only have one link, but you can just send them to a site where you can have a lot of links, but you really just want to send them into your funnel with your free thing on the front end, or low ticket thing if you have your own offer, and then get them into your affiliate products, okay? Just create content if you're going to do the free route, guys, and I'll talk about that a lot, but it's basically a testing ground. You're gonna straight up be posting content, and some's gonna like suck, some's gonna rock, and all you have to do is just look at the data, because it's kind of like a voting system. The ones that do the best are proven and shown to do the best, because the numbers don't lie. And then the ones that didn't do good, just forget those. If you want to delete those, fine, but they are hooks that can bring people in ultimately. But anyways, the ones that do best, you can just boost them, okay? And even with Instagram and Facebook platform, you can just click the boost button if you're connected to your account with ads. Then boom, you can boost that freaking post and get in front of more eyeballs, which is very powerful because it's proven to work, and so there's nothing you're risking. Plus, you've got a funnel that you're monetizing anyway. So if you just want to do the free route, that's how you can do it, and you're going to end up doing paid ads too, which is very, very powerful, and paid ads is where it's at. If you want to go to paid ad route, by the way, with the content and free method, dude, you're going to be trading time for money, so that sucks, but you just want to create as much content as you can, okay? With paid traffic, just go to Facebook Ads Manager, create an ad, just, I guess, promote on only Instagram if you want. Make sure you have an Instagram page and a Facebook page too, both connecting. And all you have to do is just target exactly the kind of people that you're looking for. And if you have a Facebook pixel set up for getting like leads or conversions, if you have your own products, do for conversions. If you have just like an opt-in. Then you could do conversion too, but just for opt-in, you're going to get higher opt-in rates because you're not selling anything. But Facebook Pixel is the most powerful thing to the whole platform. Okay, so you want to go broad. Facebook's going to find the people that will do it. I could dive into the ads. I'll dive into like advertising tips later. But yeah, you just run the ads and send them to your funnel. So that's that. Next is Pinterest, and we're going to talk about free traffic real quick. Pinterest, you can just set up a bunch, just one page or multiple pages, and they all link to each other, and you create your own posts. You find images that are proven to work well. You just repost them, and you link to your funnel. All right, and that's it. When content does good, once again, boost it. It's just a testing ground. Once again, we're treating this like a business, not just for fun, right? So you're basically testing what works for your niche, and boom, you boost it with their ad platform. Basically, it's really powerful because if you know what the word proliferate means, it basically means a ton of stuff, like adding up, like very fast. And that's what it is. Basically, you boost it, and a bunch of people repin it, and then a bunch of repins happen from there, and happen from there, and happen from there. Or you can just start off with an ad just to boost yourself real quick. Maybe it isn't even like proven to work. One, that's why it's best to find ones that are proven to work. But if you want to do the ad route, just make an ad that you think would do good, and split test some if you want to, which I highly recommend. Always split test, and then just send them, boom, to your landing page. Okay, that's another traffic source. Ultimately, traffic source doesn't matter. I'm going to explain this at the end. Next is YouTube, and YouTube is by far the biggest traffic source. Okay, they can suggest your content. People can find it through search, all these different methods, and it's just by far the best one. As you can see, I'm on it right now. And here's how you do free. Once again, testing ground. Pick one solid, single niche that you like. Have your funnel in place, okay? And straight up, just create content. Who cares if it doesn't do well? It's fine, because you're going to get some that does well. Let me tell you guys a story real quick that was actually kind of sad. I was creating videos, and I had one that took off. And I was embarrassed because the quality of the video. I was working really hard on my videos and stuff, and I made like hundreds of videos, and a lot of them weren't getting views. Eventually one did, and I was like, this one's crappy, and so I like stopped it. I paused it, I hid it, and there's a feature where you can make it unlisted. I did that, and it definitely affects the video, and I couldn't go back from it. I re-uploaded it because I'm like, this video did good, and because I watched another course, because I buy courses a lot for fun and to learn, and like, why would you take down a video that's best performing? And that was stupid of me. And now it doesn't perform at all very well, and it's just too bad. And so, lesson learned, if you have something that takes off, which something will eventually the more you create, let it take off, also boost it at the same time, get more eyeballs. Attention is money, and this is the game we're playing in marketing, okay? And that's what it's all about. If you want to run paid ads, there's different ones you can do. You can do in-stream, or what's it called? In-discovery ads, so two of those ones. And basically, in-discovery ads is it shows up in search or in suggested, your video that does well. And people can click on it and watch it. That one's very, very good. In-stream ads is great for deliberately getting people to just go to your funnel, okay? And psychology that has to go into your in-stream ads is insane because you're dealing with cold traffic. But you can run retargeting ads to everyone who's viewed your channel, okay? And guess what? That's hot traffic. That's hot traffic, not cold. So basically, they convert way higher. They already know you, okay? And I've done this before too, and I've gotten a lot of sales from it. My channel's small, so obviously I can't like run crazy ads right now. But I did for a while. Just got a couple sales here and there, and now I'm just letting it run every day, slowly. My personal brand isn't very big yet, but it's growing, and thank you for all the support, guys. And yeah, so retargeting is extremely powerful to get people into your funnel. And there's a lot of SEO tricks and everything goes into YouTube. But I'll tell you right now, just pick your one niche, be consistent, make content. There's a million ways to come up with content, okay? So you can find them. I actually have stacks and stacks and tons of saved video ideas and stacks of cards of ideas, all these things, okay? But yeah, there you go. There's YouTube. Next is Facebook. Facebook is by far one of the biggest. Everyone's running Facebook ads, okay, these days. Even I am. And mainly dropshippers run Facebook ads because it's e-commerce and, you know, people buy e-commerce products. It's physical. You can also do digital products, and you can promote any niche you want on Facebook if you do it correctly. I have a very secret way that I actually promote in the health and beauty niche, and a lot of people get their Facebook ads disapproved in those niches, okay, very quickly. But I have very secret ways of doing this, okay? And then there's other ones like casino kind of offers and all these things. But I'll give you a tip real quick. Like, you should put it in your back end, those offers that they don't like. Put them in your back end. Make your front end something different. Amen. But yeah, Facebook, ton of traffic on demand. Same with YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and there will be one that doesn't have a ton on demand, but different areas inside of the traffic source has in-demand traffic. But yeah, this is interruption traffic, so you really don't have much competition or anyone they're comparing to. That's why it's good. It's interruption marketing, and that's why Facebook just performs so well. And you know what? There's a ton of attention here, a ton of targeting options. Very, very powerful, okay? Facebook's great, and I'm not going to repeat myself on like the testing ground thing if you're doing free traffic, though. Moving on to the next one. All right, Twitter. I hope you guys are liking these slides. Just a bunch of logos on here. Twitter is pretty good. I mean, I don't even freaking use Twitter, bro. Their ad platform's neglected. All right, same with Snapchat. So you can jump on those. I mean, where attention goes, money flows. There's attention there, so you can get money. They got targeting options at the end of the day, but yeah, same thing goes for them. Just create content. And by the way, if you combine all of these together, sending traffic to your funnel, whether you do free and paid or just free, dude, just create content in all of these. Repurpose content from YouTube down, because video performs best. So make a big long YouTube video, repurpose all the content in there into other platforms, and just post, boom, everywhere. And all geared to one niche that you're in. And then you're promoting these ClickBank products, right? That's what it's all about, baby. That's what it's all about. All right. There you go. Twitter. I don't even freaking use. But by the way, everything that trends online starts with Twitter. So Twitter's a great method to find what's trending. I know Google Trends shows what's trending, but they're actually a little slow to it. I've kind of mastered Google Trends. I can tell you right now, Twitter's quicker. Okay. Very, very insane. So next, Google, baby. And this is the one, it's called search engine optimization or search traffic, basically not interruption marketing. Search traffic's a little difficult, but you can get buyer keywords and all these things in place where people are going to be more likely to buy, but it's a higher cost per click. But anyway, if you make like a blog or a YouTube video or something that will rank for a specific keyword, you can do a blog at the same time as you're doing everything else, okay? And just try to optimize for the keywords you want in your niche. Over time, everything grows, okay? It's like you're freaking planting a massive tree if you do every method here. Like tons of traffic sources. Heck, I don't even do this for my personal brand as you guys are watching now. My channel's pretty small, but hey, whatever. I mean, I know for a fact YouTube is the biggest, okay? And that's why I just focus on YouTube. And then I can, build my net to other areas. But Google is very powerful indeed. It's by far maybe I want to say second. I think YouTube would be the third biggest, and then Facebook is the first biggest. And Facebook owns a bunch of different social medias. But yeah, so Google's very powerful. You can do Google Display, you can do YouTube underneath their ad platform, you can do Google Search, and you can do Gmail ads. And just a ton of options. They mastered their ad platform. If you could master Facebook ads or Google ads or both, you can be multimillionaire if you implement what I talk about. So, and I'm on track, by the way, to become a multimillionaire. I can't wait to show you guys. So I try to teach what I learned throughout my journey with you guys. And it's not sunshine and rainbows. There could be ups and downs, obviously, right? But yeah, and that's what it's all about. So Google is very powerful. And I wish I owned Google. But anyways, yeah, you just either go the blog route, YouTube route, or paid ads route to your funnel. Okay, and we're talking about funnel here. You gotta use a funnel. Okay, ClickFunnels is by far the best. You can check out in the description. Then I got other tools you need in the description to make this thing work. It's a huge opportunity. You guys can make tons of money. Okay, and let's move on. Boom, we're going to talk about landing pages, okay? This is the weirdest slide ever. I bet no one could guess what this is even about, other than the fact I said landing pages. But, I mean, what the heck here? We got burning money, we got coming soon, and just these weird things. But, I mean, the thing in the bottom left looks like a landing page. But I'm going to give you guys some landing page tips to help with your conversion rates. Basically, in your front-end landing page, either offer something very low ticket or free to get them into your funnel. Very important. Next, make sure you have a video sales letter, or if you don't want to do that, make sure you're stacking value and making sure that they know what's in it for them. Don't be crazy, loud, and just all over the place in your landing page. Keep it very simple and make sure your call to action stands out, okay? As you can actually see in the bottom left corner here, it just says sign up now, click here in freaking orange, and everything else is plain old colors, okay? But that's just a good example of that, surprisingly. And next thing would be story sell them. One of the most powerful skills in marketing is storytelling. No one will tell you this, but I can tell you this right now. It's the most powerful thing. I'll just leave it at that. And you can research it as much as you want, but I will have a course coming out on story selling, the most powerful method in sales ever and marketing. But that's how you can get a lot of people to opt in to your funnel, whether it be opting into email or buying a low ticket offer in the front end. Or just getting the affiliate offers in general. Okay, it's extremely powerful. Highly recommend it. Just say what's in it for them. Have a call to action. And if you want to do the VSL, just say who you are, what you're offering, and why you're offering it, and how they can get it, okay? And moving on from there. So that's some very, very advanced landing page tips, just so you know. Now we've got the ads, okay? Let's give you a couple tips on how to get a high click-through rate for your ads and advertisements. So, it doesn't matter what platform you're using, it's best to use what you know works, and it's best to split test different ads, okay? And why it's so important is because you could run one ad, but you never know if there's a better one out there and you have nothing to test. But if you run like 5 different creatives, you're going to figure out what works. And the best thing to split test is obviously the creative, not the ad copy, okay? The ad copy is basically what you're offering or building curiosity for them to click through. So just say what you're offering, whether it be low ticket or free, and then, or you could go another route and build curiosity. On social media, great ads that perform well are proven like viral videos or images for that niche you're in. And then you can just say what your offer is, or something low ticket or free, or build curiosity. These are just some beginner level tips. I have like high level psychology course on how to get high click-through rates. You can check that out if you want. It's important to make sure that you guys are aware of all these different things I offer. But the next tip for ads is always be testing, figure out what works. It doesn't always come down to the ad itself. It can come down to the offer in the end. And a lot of it can come down to the targeting, where you're targeting. What if you're just showing it to like dog lovers, but you're offering like kitchen supplies or something? You got to be targeting the correct people, and that's what it's all about. So there you go. That's some tips on ads. But at the end of the day, hook them in, story sell them, and have an offer. And if you get one thing wrong, that can mess it up. But that's only 3 things to remember. So you've got this. Next is the last slide, and this is the way to spend tons on traffic and not even care. Spend the most to acquire conversions, okay, is the first one. If you can spend $1,000 as a budget and not even care, and I'll tell you how you can do this. If you can spend $1,000 on ads, okay, and not even care, and then you have like your ClickBank offers, okay, that's extremely powerful. And how you do that is have more offers, okay, and that's the next tip. Have more offers. It's extremely powerful, guys. If you have freaking 20 offers in your funnel, how much do you think you can spend to acquire conversions? A lot. What if you have $1,000 offer in your back end? What if your budget is $1,000, okay, and then you get one sale throughout the whole traffic you send, and you get one sale to that $1,000? You break even right there, but guess what? Everything else everything else you promote in that funnel, you made money from. Okay, insane, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some other videos and get some more value from me. Check out new stuff in the description. Check out the courses. Become a marketing expert. You will not regret it. Amen. And peace out.